Good afternoon. My name is Kathy Huffman Oakes, and I would like to take this opportunity to demonstrate three basic features that are used quite frequently in the word processing application Microsoft Word 2010. Today I will demonstrate how to apply bold, italic, and underline formatting to text in a Word document. As you can see, there is a Word document already open and visible on the screen. So what I would like to ask you to do is to follow me as I navigate up to the ribbon. We will identify the top part of our screen here. This is our ribbon, and you'll notice above the ribbon we have the tabs. We have several different tabs up here. And as we click on each tab, of course, the ribbon options change. But for today's purposes, we will use the Home tab. So I'm going to return to the Home tab and left click. And we will be working out of the font group. Now you'll notice there's more than one group on the Home tab, and the groups are named, and those are visible at the bottom of each group. So we see clipboard, font, paragraph, styles, and editing. But again, just to restate, for today's purposes, we are going to be working out of the Home tab in the font group. Okay? So with that stated, I'm going to begin by selecting my text. I'm going to left click and drag through the text, and then take the pointer and move up to the font group. And I want to look for the heavy black B, because the first format task I'm going to perform is apply the bold feature. Now notice I allowed the cursor to hover over the B for just a few seconds, and I received a quick screen tip that tells me this is the bold button. So I'm simply going to left click on the button, and it applies the bold to the text that is selected. Notice that the button is now shaded in a light orange. That also helps me to visibly identify that this is turned on. Okay, so I think I'll go ahead and do that also for my subtitles. Simply select the text and left click on the bold button. Again, select my text and apply the bold. Alright, very good. The next thing I would like to do is show you how to apply italics to text. Again, simply select your text, navigate up to the ribbon. We want to work with the font group, and the italics button is the I that is slanted, and it happens to be positioned to the right of the bold feature. So I'm going to click that, and again you saw the quick tip that told us or confirmed that that was the italic button. I'm also going to apply that to my second subtitle for consistency, and now we have applied both bold and italic formatting. For our last formatting option, I'm going to talk about the underline feature. It is just as simple to apply. All you do once again is select your text, move your pointer to the ribbon in the font group, and you want to choose the U with the underline under it. That is your underline button. So we're going to left click on that and apply the underline feature. Now, one other thing I would like to bring to your attention is you don't have to stick with the traditional single line. If you click the down pointing triangle to the right of the underline button, you have line options. So you can choose a double underline, you might choose a heavier underline, wavy, dotted, whatever you might choose or whatever you might prefer, you can choose that. But for today's purposes, I'm just going to stick with the traditional single line. Okay? Well, that is the conclusion of our demonstration on how to apply bold, italic, and underline in the Microsoft Word processing application. Thank you for watching.